Hello and welcome to another Monty Miracle video. In this video, what can I say? It just amazes me our customers' response and what lengths they go to show their appreciation of Monty Miracle Cleaner. I've got a few videos here of customers that have been really happy with Monty Miracle. Not only were they happy with Monty Miracle, that they actually made a video and sent the videos in to us. So I'd just like to share a few of these videos with you. It just amazes me. It's fantastic.
I wouldn't normally describe myself as someone who falls for promotional stuff, although my wife might disagree. And when I see something that's billed as a miracle, I'm always a bit suspicious. As a Christian man, I don't like the overuse of that word unless it can be demonstrated. But I have to say, this stuff is absolutely extraordinary. Just have a look, hang on. This was some stuff I had to go with a pressure washer. And I thought it was doing all right, actually. Because when you see what it used to look like, that's quite an improvement. This is what it used to look like. That's Indian stone under there, not that you'd know it. But one application of Miracle Monty, and look at that. Absolutely extraordinary. When you get to the bit that I haven't done, I won't need to point out where that is. But it is just a remarkably effective product. So thank you, Monty, whoever you are. You've gone to a very good thing here, and I highly, highly recommend it.
Thank you very much, Mr. Haynes, for your high recommendation and your praise. I just have to remind you that the videos that have been sent in to us from customers, these are their words. We haven't asked them to do these reviews. They've just sent the videos in after using the product. And as I said before, it's just amazing. And now we have the next customer's review.
Here I am with my Monty. I'm not selling the stuff, I'm just telling you how brilliant it is. I'll put it in my pressure sprayer. This is the hardest part of this job, I'll tell you. Pumping the old pressure sprayer. Now that is hard work. Just close that up and spray on. Now I've got a bit of a problem because my sprayer's not very good. It doesn't spray out enough, so this takes me a little bit longer than it really should do. Came across this stuff on the internet. Just put in for patio cleaner, and there was YouTube videos of this stuff, and I thought this can't be true, but I'll give it a go anyway, because I've tried lots and lots of different things. Nothing's worked. This patio's been jet washed, I've used bleach, I've used other proprietary cleaners, and that doesn't work. All these black bits just stay. As you can see, if Sam pans round, I've done this morning. I'm doing mine in sections, just so as I can see where I've been. Just spray it on in a section. Oh, the sun's coming out to greet us now. I can't believe this stuff. It works like magic. But you must keep yourself covered up, because it must be quite strong. Wear your old clothes. And as you can see, it starts fizzing up. Any bits that you miss, that's just because my sprayer is rubbish. Excuse me. Some of these slabs are not too bad, but haven't got the weather. They say to leave it 5-10 minutes, and that's really all it takes. I just can't believe this product. If you see any bits that you've missed that's drying out, just spray over it again. Like I say, my sprayer's rubbish. If it's website. Not their website, they've got YouTube. Just reactivates it again. I like this bit because it makes me think I'm doing something. However, I think it's the solution that's doing it all, not me. So this just activates it. Again. Stand and watch it for another few minutes. Normal hose pipe. Normal hose pipe, no jet washing. And just rinse it away. Now this is all going towards the grass. What they suggest you do is just dampen your grass down first, so that it doesn't get the whole lot of the solution. It's diluted anyway. I'm just brushing it that way so I can see where I've been. Magic. Just like magic. And like I say, I've done it in sections, just so as I can see where I've been, so as I haven't got a lot of water down there. Sam will pan down the garden. The big patio area I did the other day. I can't believe how brilliant it looks. You can see where I've finished. So I've got that end to do as well. It's like a brand new patio. I love Monty. I love Monty.
Thanks again, Leslie, for them very, very kind words. What can I say? I'm lost for words again. It's fantastic. The responses that we get through email, but these videos that people send in are just phenomenal. And here we are again, number 3, happy customer with their video.
Hi, I just wanted to share this with you guys out there. I went onto YouTube to find out how to, well, I knew how, but to clean a patio and driveways without a jet wash, which I've had a jet wash for years. It broke down, but I thought, well, I don't want to pay that sort of money out again. So I went online, well, on YouTube, and I came across this product called Monty Miracle. It's absolutely amazing. And what I've done is, if I show you what it is, then I'll talk to you what you need. That's the booklet that they will send to you. That's the product. It's 5 litres and it's just under £30 for 5 litres. Basically what you need is, you need one of these bottles, okay, which is not very expensive, about £8 I paid for mine. You will need a normal hose pipe with a gun on it, bit of a power behind it, okay. Definitely need gloves. You will need a mask, okay. If you follow their guidelines, okay, you can't go wrong. This is after, this is before. Basically what you do is, it's all ready to use, no mixing, okay. It's absolutely amazing. I was quite shocked by it, to be fair, and I thought I'd got to try this to believe it, okay. But it's on YouTube. You go online and if you type it in, the company is actually called, bear with me, the company is actually called www.montymiracle.co.uk. That's www.montymiracle.co.uk. And basically what you do is you tip the solution out of this bottle into one of these. For best results, you can put it directly straight onto slabs or your drive, but then it will soak away quite quickly. But if you dampen your slabs or your driveway first, just like this, that's all you do, just like that, okay? And then basically a few pumps of this, then put this onto your slabs like that, yeah, and then all you do is leave it 10-15 minutes. They say 10 minutes, I like to leave it 15 minutes, okay. Unlike everybody else's, mine was very heavily soiled, so what I done to get it back up to this, I did it twice, okay. But once you've got it to this, okay, you don't have to do it twice. I've done it twice just to get it back up to this, because I haven't done mine in quite a few years. But like I say, it's very good. There's no need for jet washing anymore, i.e. because jet washes, they can damage your slabs, which they did mine. They open up the slabs and your driveway to let algae in. But when you've tried this, if you try this, you won't look back. It's absolutely amazing. Now, it also does walls as well. You can do walls as well, okay? Again, I did the walls, or started to do the walls. This was after, this was before. You can see the coloration in the walls, okay? Again, spray it on, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You can use a little bit of a scrubbing brush if you want to, but like I say, they're heavily soiled. You probably may need to do it twice, okay? But the second time, if you do it, you just need to go over and that's the job done. But like I say, it must be tried. It's absolutely amazing. You will be shocked. I was, okay? And when I first saw this being done on YouTube, okay, I thought, well, you know, this is too good to be true. I've got to get a bottle to try it, and it's amazing. Look at the results. Okay guys, I do hope that you have this product, give it a try, see what you think, and subscribe and leave your comments. Thank you very much for listening. Bye.
Thank you very much, Mr. Prescott. Well, that leaves me with not very much to say, other than thank you very much for sending your videos in. It's much appreciated. It makes your hard work that you put into these products, it makes it worthwhile, and it makes me smile and giggle. But yeah, thank you all very much, and I hope these reviews were helpful to yourselves. And if you'd like to purchase your own Monty Miracle, visit montymiracle.co.uk, as they've said in the videos. Right, thank you very much. Bye bye.